Start.
What we are going to do, give you is a demonstration of our wall unit. So you can see that we have created a industrial wall on-off button simulator. So this is like now start, stop or open, close, and then there are different buttons. This is for MOS enable, interlock, permissives. These are the open and close feedback simulators. And this is your on-off indication. So when we start the system, you will find the LEDs lighting here. This is a LED lamp. So the whole system works on 5 volts actually. If you see the board here, these boards work on 5 volt, and this is a 24 volt DC and a relay module. So this works on 24 volt DC. So this unit we have created specifically for this training program so that you can understand the nuts and bolts and you can know how it is actually working. And if you want to make a product, how do you actually make it from the scratch?